Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off text-to-speech on Android so you can easily stop your phone from reading text aloud when you don't want it to. Now let's get started. Step 1, swipe down from the top of your screen and tap the gear icon to open settings. This is where you can control all your phone's features and preferences. Step 2, scroll down and tap on additional settings to access more customization options that aren't visible in the main menu. Step 3, tap on accessibility, which includes settings designed to help people with disabilities or special needs. Step 4, tap on vision to find options that control how text and images are displayed on your device. Step 5, tap on text-to-speech output. Here you can manage the text-to-speech feature and how it behaves on your phone. Step 6, adjust the speech rate and pitch if you want, or tap disable to completely turn off text-to-speech. Alternatively, you can go back to settings, then go to system or additional settings, and tap on languages and input or a similar option. Select on-screen keyboard, then tap on Gboard or your keyboard app. Finally, tap voice typing and turn off the voice input key to disable voice input from the keyboard. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Touch to Click channel for more useful tutorials.